So let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 2 of chapter number 15, probability. And I'm going to start the 52 playing cards based questions, and I will cover dice based question only. Single die का तो हम लोग देख चुके हैं. Already we did questions also from NCERT. Single जो die हम लोग throw करते हैं तो 6 outcomes आता है, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That type of question we already did it. And today we are going to do the questions based on two dice, when two dice are thrown. Okay, after this. So, have you seen 52 playing cards? Playing cards देखे हो कि नहीं? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you if you count the number of playing cards, you will find 26 cards are red. Okay, 26 cards are red, and 26 cards are black. So if you add these two, we'll get 52. So sometimes question will ask, what is the probability of red card? So the probability will be 26 upon 52. Okay, so if one card is drawn randomly from the pack of 52 playing cards, the total number of possible outcome is 52. क्योंकि जब हम लोग एक एक कार्ड निकालेंगे तो कितने बार निकाल के चेक करेंगे? 52 times. So what is the probability of getting black card?
26 by 50.
26 by 52.
By 50. Fine. Now there are two types of red card. One is heart cards, जो कि symbol का होता है. Okay, and total number of heart cards is 13. And second red card type is diamond card, जो कि इस symbol का होता है. Okay, और ये भी 13 होता है. Now question may ask, what is the probability of getting diamond card? So the answer will be 13 by 52. Okay, 1 by 4. Right. Now black card are also of two types. One is club card, जो इस symbol का होता है, and the another is spade card, जो ये वाला symbol है spade card का. Right. These two are red and these two are black. और ये भी 13 13 होता है. ओके, अभी हर एक हार्ट कार्ड में, हर एक हार्ट में, हर एक डायमंड को, इसको सूट भी बोलते हैं, राइट? दीज आर कॉल्ड सूट्स. रेड कार्ड सूट, ब्लैक कार्ड सूट्स. नाउ हर एक हार्ट कार्ड के टाइप में एक किंग होता है, एक क्वीन होता है, और एक जैक होता है, और एक एस होता है, और 2 से 10 तक कार्ड्स होते हैं. सो ऑल टुगेदर 13 कार्ड्स आर देयर. फिर से काउंट करते हैं. 1 किंग कार्ड, 1 क्वीन कार्ड, 1 जैक कार्ड एंड 1 एस कार्ड. 4 हो गया. एंड द नंबर कार्ड्स आर 2 to 10, दैट इज 9 कार्ड्स. सो ऑल टुगेदर 13 कार्ड्स. ये हार्ट में भी ये सारे टाइप के होते हैं और डायमंड में भी होते हैं. सो इफ आई विल आस्क अ क्वेश्चन दैट व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग क्वीन ऑफ डायमंड, सो डायमंड का क्वीन कितना होगा? 1 होगा. सो 1 by 52. ओके, सो सेम ब्लैक कार्ड में भी होता है क्लब और स्पेड से. 1 किंग, 1 क्वीन, 1 जैक, 1 एस कार्ड, and 2 to 10 9 number cards. So altogether 13 cards will be there in club and in spade also. So whether this classification is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us move towards one by one. 13 cards जो प्लेइंग कार्ड्स में होते हैं वो ये वाले हैं. देखो, इसमें 3 कार्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिसमें फेसेस होते हैं, राइट, इन हार्ट कार्ड्स. एंड अल्फाबेट्स आर 4 अल्फाबेट्स. समटाइम्स क्वेश्चन में आस्क विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू अल्फाबेट्स आल्सो. एंड दीज आर नंबर कार्ड्स, 9 कार्ड्स. ओके, 1 K, 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace, and 9 number cards. ओके, सेम हम लोग का डायमंड में भी होता है. 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace, और 2 to 10 number cards. ओके, सो ऑल टुगेदर 13 कार्ड्स आर देयर. तो इसमें भी जो फेस वाले जो कार्ड्स हैं वो 3 होते हैं. ओके, so now let us move towards the club cards. Here also 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace, and 2 to 10, 9 number cards. ओके 2 to 10 हार्ट में भी 9 नंबर कार्ड्स होते हैं, और 2 to 10 9 number cards are there in diamonds also. 2 to 10 9 number cards in club also. Similarly in spade also. Okay, spade में भी ये king है, 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace, and 2 to 10 9 number cards, so altogether 13 cards. So this is the structure of all 52 playing cards. So if you see carefully, total number of cards in which faces are there is 12. दिख रहा है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
अब ध्यान से देखो, अगर हम लोग इस कार्ड में देखें, 2 के 4 कार्ड्स हैं, देखो ये चारों. हाउ मेनी स्पेड्स आर देयर इन 2? How many spades are there in 2 number?
One.
So one.
Only 1. So हर एक नंबर में एक ही सूट होता है, राइट? एक ही टाइप का कार्ड होता है. जैसे क्लब कार्ड 4 में एक ही है, और डायमंड कार्ड जैक में एक है. सिमिलरली नंबर एस में हार्ट एक है. सो whenever the specific question will ask that what is the probability of 8 of diamond, 8 of diamond, only one card is there out of 52, so our probability is 1 by 52. Okay, so whether 52 playing card structure is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so you please watch once again the recorded video, because 52 playing cards based question is very important for board exam. Now we'll move towards the playing 52. Out of 52 playing cards, how many face cards are there?
12.
12.
12.
Right, 12 face cards. So out of 12 face cards, 6 are red and 6 are black. Okay, 6 रेड फेस कार्ड्स में 3 जो है वो हार्ट कार्ड्स है, और 3 जो डायमंड कार्ड्स है. एंड 6 ब्लैक फेस कार्ड्स में 3 क्लब कार्ड्स है और 3 स्पेड कार्ड्स, राइट? और 3 हार्ट कार्ड में एक किंग है, एक क्वीन है और एक जैक है. दिस वन. ओके, जे क्यू के. एंड 3 डायमंड कार्ड्स में भी एक जे है और एक क्यू है और एक के है, राइट? So altogether these are 6 red face card. So if I will ask a question, what is the probability of getting red face card? So what is your answer?
6 by 52.
52.
Right, 6 by 52. ये 12 नहीं लेना है. 6 by 52, right? Now similarly club cards. In club cards also we have 1 jack, 1 queen and 1 king. And in spade also we have 1 jack, 1 queen and 1 king club card. Okay, so this is the structure of face cards. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards the question. So first question, first example, if one card is drawn at random from the well shuffled deck of 52 cards, find the probability that the card drawn is a king, a red 8, spade, red card, 6 of the club and face card. So let us start with the first step. What is the total number of cards?
52.
52.
So all the total number of possible is 52, right? Now we'll start with the first bit. How many kings are there?
4.
4.
Yeah.
Very good. So there are 4 kings in all. So probability of getting king is 4 by 52. ठीक है? So एग्जाम में भी ऐसी शॉर्ट लिखना है, पूरा फुल फार्मूला के साथ में नहीं लिखना है, जैसे पिछले सेशन में वो केवल एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए था. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट नो नीड टू राइट द फार्मूला, दैट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी. So we'll write there are 4 kings in all. So P of drawing a king is 4 by 52. Further, if you simplify, what you will get?
1 by 13.
Right, 1 by 13. Now next, how many 8 cards are red?
2.
2. One is heart and another is diamond. Okay, so there are 2 red 8s in all. So therefore, what is the probability of getting red 8?
2 by
2 by
2 by 52.
Right, 2 by 52. And if you simplify,
1 by 26.
right, 1 by 26. Very good. Now the next one, how many spade cards are there?
13.
13. Right. So there are 13 cards of spades. So what is the probability of getting spade card?
13 by
13 by 52.
Right, 13 by 52. So if you simplify, what you will get?
1 by 4.
1 by
Right,
4.
1 by 4. So now the fourth bit is red card. How many red cards are there?
26.
26, right. There are 26 red cards. So what is the probability?
26 by 52.
Right, 26 by 52. Simplify.
1 by 2.
Very good, 1 by 2. Now the next one, 6 of club. 6 card, 6 number में कितने clubs होते हैं?
1.
Only one. Very good. So there is 1/6 of the club. So what is the probability?
1 by 52.
Right, 1 by 52. Now the last one, face cards. How many face cards are there?
12.
12.
12.
So there are 12 face cards. So what is the probability of getting face card?
12 by
12 by
52.
12 by 52. Simplify.
6 by 26.
Again, और simplify होगा. 3
3 by 13.
3 by
Yes,
13.
3 by
3 by
30.
13.
Okay. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
ओके अब इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा से एक और टाइप का क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं हम लोग. इफ वन कार्ड इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम ए वेल सफल्ड डेक ऑफ 52 कार्ड्स, फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ किंग ऑफ रेड सूट, क्वीन ऑफ ब्लैक सूट, अ जैक ऑफ हार्ट एंड रेड फेस कार्ड. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट स्टेप. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप?
Total number of cards.
Okay, total number of cards also you can write, total number of possible outcomes also you can write. That is 52. Okay, so how many king of red suit?
2.
2. Okay, one is heart and another is diamond. So number of kings of red suit is 2. So what is the probability?
2 by 52.
2 by 52.
Right, 2 by 52. If you simplify, what you will get?
1 by
22.
1 by 26.
Right, 1 by 26. Good. Now queen of black suit. How many queen are black?
2.
2. One is club and another is spade. So number of queens of black suit is 2. So what is the probability?
2 by 52.
2 by 52. If you simplify, you will get the same answer. That is 1 by 26. Right. Now the last third bit, jack of hearts. How many jack are heart?
1.
1. Right. So what is the probability? 1 by
1 by
1
50.
right, 1 by 52. Now let us move towards the fourth bit, red face cards. How many cards are red? Face cards are red.
6.
6.
6. Right. So red face cards are 2 kings, 2 queens and 2 jacks. So number of red face cards is equals to 6. ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं. This is not mandatory. Okay, for your explanation I wrote here. So what is the probability?
6 by 52.
6 by 52. That is 3 by 26. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
अब प्लेइंग कार्ड्स में ये सारे एलिमेंट्री इवेंट्स हैं, एक एक इवेंट्स हैं. अभी मान लो 2 इवेंट्स का कॉम्बिनेशन है. See carefully. A card of spades or an ace. Neither jack nor king. Either king or a queen. So this is the combination of 2 events. Okay. So let us start with the first step. That is total number of possible outcomes or total number of cards is equals to 52. Now, how many spade cards are there?
13.
13. How many ace are there? 4. But in 4, one spade is already counted here. एस
Yes, sir.
एस में भी एक स्पेड होता है ना, so that we counted here. So how many ace card left?
3.
3. So how many total number of cards now?
16.
16, right. So there are 13 cards of spades, including one ace, right? And there are 3 more aces. So total number of favorable cases is 13 plus 3, that is 16. So what is the probability?
16 by
16 by
50.
50.
Right, simplify. 4 by 13. Okay. So now next question. Black king. Now this is single event. Black in king. So how many kings are black?
2.
2. One is club and another is spade. So what is the probability?
2 by 52.
Right, 2 by 52. That is 1 by 26. Now the next one is neither jack nor king. ओके, जैक भी नहीं होना चाहिए, किंग भी नहीं होना चाहिए. तो पहले हाउ मेनी जैक्स आर देयर, हाउ मेनी किंग्स आर देयर, हाउ मेनी जैक कार्ड्स आर देयर?
4.
4. हाउ मेनी किंग कार्ड्स आर देयर?
4.
वो दोनों नहीं होना चाहिए. तो कितने सारे पॉसिबल आउटकम्स होंगे?
4. 52 minus 8.
Very good. 52 minus 8. So there are 4 jacks and 4 kings. So number of cards which are neither jacks nor kings is equals to 52 minus sum of these two, that is 8. So we'll get 44. So what is the probability of getting neither jack nor king? 44 by 52. Simplify.
22 by 26.
11 by 13.
11 by 13.
Right, 11 by 13. And the next one is either king or queen. So how many kings are there?
4.
4. How many queens are there? 4. So 4 plus 4, that is 8. So what is the probability of getting king or queen?
8 by 52.
Right, 8 by 52. Simplify.
2 by 13.
2 by 13. Right, correct. Now we'll move towards next type of question, that is 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. Right. अगर हम लोग एक die थ्रो कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग का जो पॉसिबल आउटकम्स हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6. राइट. अगर दूसरा डाई हम लोग थ्रो कर रहे हैं, सो अगेन आवर पॉसिबल आउटकम्स आर 6, बट दोनों एक साथ ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. सो 1 के साथ 1 भी आ सकता है, 2 भी आ सकता है, 3 भी आ सकता है, 4 भी आ सकता है, 5 भी आ सकता है और 6 भी आ सकता है. दैट मीन्स देयर आर 6 कॉम्बिनेशन विद दिस वन. सिमिलरली विद दिस 2 6 कॉम्बिनेशन, विद दिस 3 6 कॉम्बिनेशन, 4 के साथ 6 कॉम्बिनेशन, 5 के साथ 6 कॉम्बिनेशन, 6 के साथ 6 कॉम्बिनेशन. सो हाउ मेनी टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशंस आर देयर?
36.
Yes, 6 into 6. Right. So when 2 dice are thrown simultaneously, all possible outcomes are this one. So total number of possible outcomes is 36. Now इसमें जो टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन जो आते हैं वो है सम, प्रोडक्ट. ध्यान से सुनो, जो मेन जो बोर्ड एग्जाम में जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, सम से रिलेटेड आता है, प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड आता है एंड डबलेट्स. ओके, डबलेट्स मीन्स सेम नंबर. सेम नंबर देखो कितने हैं, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. So what is the probability of getting doublet?
6 by 36.
Right. What is the probability of getting even doublet?
3 by 36.
Very good. What is the probability of getting prime number doublet? Doublet
3
of
by
prime number.
36.
Yes, 2 2 3 3 5 5. What is the probability of getting even number doublet? Odd number. 1 1 3 3 5 5. That is also 3 by 36. So that is the question related to doublet. Okay. Now the second type of question is related with product. So what is the probability of getting the product of the two number is 4? See, यहाँ पे है 1 4 2241 और कहीं पे मिल रहा है देखो, दोनों नंबर को इंटू करने से 4 आना चाहिए. If you multiply both the numbers, you will get 4. Any other possibilities are there? No?
No,
So
sir.
what is the probability?
No, sir.
What is the probability?
3 by 36.
3 by 36. Very good. Now what is the probability of getting the product 6? 6 कहाँ कहाँ पर आ रहा है देखो, 1 2 3 और यहाँ पर और कहीं आ रहा है 6 मल्टीप्लाई करने से नहीं आ
नहीं,
रहा.
sir.
Okay, so what is the probability of getting the product of two number is 6?
4 by
4
36.
by 36.
4
Very
by
good.
36.
4 by 36. Now what is the probability of getting the product 20? 20 कहाँ कहाँ पर आ रहा है देखो, और कहीं पर है क्या देखो,
No, sir.
नहीं आ रहा है ना. So 2 by 36. Okay, now one very interesting question. What is the probability of getting the product of two number is a perfect square?
Sir, 6 by 36.
Right. Perfect square means हम लोग को सेम नंबर देखना पड़ेगा. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. Right. So product से related किसी को कोई doubt है, questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Now sums are related. Now if there is no doubt with respect to product, we will move towards sum related question. Sum वाला देखो ध्यान से. What is the lowest sum here?
2.
2. What is the highest sum?
12.
12. Okay. तो ध्यान से देखो, जितने पॉसिबल सम्स हैं वो है 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. अभी सबको काउंटिंग आता है ना, तो ऊपर से
Yes,
काउंट करो. चलो 1 2 at the same time you start from bottom also. 1 2 3, so यहाँ पर भी 3 लिखो. 4 4 5 5, so last single आ गया 6. So if you see the outcomes, you will get the same answer. So this is a trick to write the number of favorable outcomes for getting sum 2, for getting sum 6. I will show you where you are getting. Whether this trick is clear to all of you? Whether this trick
Yes.
is clear to all of you? ओके अभी इसमें एक कंफ्यूज करने वाला जो क्वेश्चन है वो एटलीस्ट और एटमोस्ट है. सो उस पर थोड़ा ध्यान दो. एटलीस्ट फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट एटलीस्ट. व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ एटलीस्ट? हिंदी में बताओ. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एटलीस्ट? कम से कम. ओके. इसका मतलब है यू हैव टू यूज मैथमेटिकली ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल्स टू. एटमोस्ट ज्यादा से ज्यादा. So less than or equal to. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
At least means greater than or equals to. At most means less than or equals to. Now my question is that what is the probability of getting at least the sum is 9? That means greater than or equals to 9. So all these 4 you have to count. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 10. Okay, so 10 by 36. Now my question is that what is the sum of two numbers is at most 4, means less than or equals to 4. So you have to take these three numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3. 6 by 36. Okay. अभी ये नंबर कैसे आ रहा है मैं बता रहा हूँ. See carefully. इसको क्रॉस करके ऐसे सर्किल कर रहा हूँ मैं. देखो what is the sum of these two numbers? 3 2 है. ये 3 नंबर्स का सम 4 है. ये 4 नंबर्स का सम 5 है. ये 5 नंबर्स का सम 6 है. और ये 6 नंबर्स का सम 7 है. अगेन डिक्रीजिंग नाउ. 5 4 3 2 1. Whether you are able to identify these sums? ये ट्रिक कहाँ से आया, यहाँ से आया। देखो अगर सभी को डायगोनल बनाएंगे, इफ यू मेक डायगोनल फॉर ऑल this one and this one, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 4 3 2 1, these are all the trick for writing the answers of sum related question. Whether this trick is clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so exam में ये outcomes लिखना mandatory नहीं है. If you write it is okay, no problem, but it is not mandatory. Okay, until unless if it is not specified in the question. वैसे आज तक specify नहीं किया हुआ है. So एक question देख लेते हैं हम लोग. Two dice are thrown at same time. Find the probability that the sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is more than 9. So more than 9 means how many sums are there? 10, 11, 12. So यहाँ से count करो 1, 2, 3. So how many possible outcomes? Favorable outcomes? 6. Okay, fine. So we will start with the total number of possible outcomes when two dice are thrown at same time. That is 36. Okay. So let E be the event of getting sum is more than 9. So possible outcomes are, see 10 के लिए 3 है, 11 के लिए 2 है. Now this is not mandatory, I told you. This is not mandatory. 1, 2, 3. So number of all favorable outcomes is equals to 6. So that is P of probability E. That is P of E is equals to 6 upon 36. If you simplify, what you will get?
1 by 6.
1 by 6.
1 by 6.
So 1 by 6 is the answer of this question. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll see one more example. Two dice are thrown at the same time. Find the probability of getting same number on both sides. Same number. Doublets. So total number of possible outcomes is 36. So how many outcomes you are getting the same numbers?
6.
6, right. So that is 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. So what is the probability?
6 by 6.
6 by 6.
ठीक है. देखो ये ऐसे लिखना भी मैंडेटरी नहीं है. Let E be the event of same number on both dice. This is one presentation. I will show you the another format also. Okay, this is not mandatory. So you can start directly first bit. You can start directly first bit with this step. Number of favorable outcomes is 6. Okay, yeah, number of outcomes in which we are getting the same number on both dice, 6. So therefore what is the probability?
6 by 36.
Right, simplify.
1 by 6.
1 by 6.
1 by.
Now second, different numbers on both dice. So you can find
30.
it by using either, see, same number 6 outcomes में आ रहा है तो different numbers बाकी सब में आएगा. That is 36 minus 6, 30. Or else you can use this method. P of different numbers on both sides is equals to 1 minus P of same number on both sides. That is 1 minus 1 by 6. So what is the answer?
5 by 6.
Right, 5 by 6. मैंने बताया कि ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं 30 upon 36. Right, there are two way of writing the answer. Number of favorable outcomes in which different numbers are getting different numbers on both dice is 30. So P of different numbers on both sides will be 30 by 36. That is 5 by 6. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So one more question. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. What is the probability that the sum on the numbers appearing on the dice is 7? So हम लोग एक काम करते हैं, जल्दी से रफ लिख लेते हैं यहाँ पर 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6, then decrease. Otherwise you can start from bottom also same time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 7 कितने बार है?
6.
6. So total number of possible outcomes is 36. Now favorable events first bit के लिए 1 6 6 1 2 5 5 2 3 4 4 3, that is 6. Okay, so what is the probability of getting the sum is 7?
6 by
6 by
36.
36.
Right, 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6. Now second, अब prime number, अभी prime number कौन कौन से हैं देखो, यहाँ से टिक कर रहा हूँ. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. How much you are getting?
15.
15. Right. So these are the possible outcomes, and this is equals to 15. See, this is not mandatory. Only for explanation, I wrote here 1, 2, sum 2 एक बार है, sum 3 दो बार है, right? और sum 5 जो है वो 4 times है, उसके बाद sum 7 6 times है, और last में sum 11 2 times है. Okay, so what is the probability?
15 by 15 by 36. 36.
Right, 15 by 36. Simplify. 5 by 12. Okay, now what is the probability of getting a sum is 1?
2.
Sum is 1.
0.
0.
0, right? So no two numbers make the sum 1. So number of favorable events is 0. So the probability of getting the sum 0 is 0 by 36 or 0, or we can write it is impossible event. That is why the probability is 0. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are going to complete the left out question from 15.1 exercise. 13 तक already कर चुके थे, so let us continue with 14. And one more topic will be left, that is coin based questions, that we will do tomorrow. Okay, so one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, face card, red face card, jack of hearts, spade, queen of diamonds. So already कुछ कुछ repeat हो रहा है, so let it be. हम लोग को exercise तो complete करना है. So what is the total number of possible outcomes?
52.
52. Okay, so there are 52 cards in a pack. Now first bit, how many red cards are there? Red king cards.
2.
So there are 2 red kings. So what is the probability?
2 by
2 by 52. Simplify.
1 by 26.
1 by
Right,
26.
very good. 1 by 26. Now second, face cards. How many face cards?
12.
12.
12. Right. So what is the probability?
12 by 12 by
12 by
12 by
52.
52. Right. So we'll get
3 by 13.
3 by 13. Very good. Now red face card. How many red face cards are there?
26.
Red face cards. Face cards.
6.
6. Right. So 6 by 52. That is 3 by 26. Now fourth bit. Jack of hearts. How many jack cards are heart?
1.
1. Right. So there is only one jack of hearts. So what is the probability?
1 by 50.
1 by
Right.
52.
1 by 52. Now next spade. How many spade cards?
13.
13. So there are 13 spade cards. So what is the probability of getting spade card?
13 by 52.
13 by 52. If you simplify, what you will get?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Okay. Now next is queen of diamond. How many queen cards are diamonds?
1.
1.
One.
Right. So probability is 1
1
by
by
52. Right. So any doubt in this question number 14?
No.
Okay. So 15th card. 15th question. 5 cards, that is 10, jack, queen, king, ace of diamond, are well shuffled with their face downwards. Now one card is then picked up at random. What is the total number of possible outcomes?
55.
5 ओनली। हम लोग केवल 5 कार्ड को फेस डाउनवर्ड करने के बाद उसमें पिक कर रहे हैं। सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स इज 5 ओनली। So 5 cards are 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace. So we have to find the first. What is the probability of getting Queen card? How many Queen cards are there?
1.
In this
One.
one. In this, not from 52 playing cards. So probability of Queen is 1 by 5. Now second, if Queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card picked up is an Ace? So if
4
you
by 5.
wait. So if the Queen is drawn and put aside, now how many cards will be left?
4.
4 by
That is 10, Jack, King, Ace. So Ace is only 1 here. So what is the probability of getting Ace?
4 by
4.
1 by 4, right. And what is the probability of getting Queen?
0.
0. Because there is no Queen in the second drawing. There is no Queen left. So probability of getting a Queen is 0 by 4. That is 0. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now 16th question. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. Different types of questions में मैंने बताया था reasoning based questions. Okay, so these some questions are based on that only. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So how many total number of pens?
130.
144.
144, right. Out of 144, number of good pens are 132.
132.
Number of defective pens is equals to 12.
12.
So number of defective pens is 12, number of good pens is 132, and the total number of pens is 144, right? And how many number of good pens? 132. So what is the probability of getting good pens?
132 by 144.
Yes, 132 by 144. If you simplify, what you will get?
11 by 12.
Yes, 11 by 12. This is the final answer. देखो एग्जाम में भी ऐसे ही शॉर्ट लिखना है, बिल्कुल पूरा डिस्क्राइब करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ऑल द स्टेप्स इतना लिखोगे फुल मार्क्स मिलेगा। 17th question. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective. So how many good ones?
16.
16.
16.
One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? Okay, we'll write the steps first. So number of defective bulbs is 4 and good bulbs is 16, and the total number of bulbs is 20. Okay, and the probability of getting that bulb is defective is equals to
4 by 20.
yes,
by
4 by 20. If you simplify, what you will get?
1 by 5.
1 by 5. Very good. Okay, this is the first bit. Now second bit. Suppose the bulb drawn in first is not defective and is not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest remaining. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? So first of all, how many bulbs will be left remaining?
19.
19, right. So when a defective bulb drawn is when a defective bulb drawn is not being replaced, we are left with 19 bulbs. Not defective, good one, है ना? Good bulb, right? So we have to find what is the probability that this bulb is not defective. So how many bulbs are not defective?
16.
15 only, क्योंकि एक गुड बल्ब हम लोग निकाल चुके हैं ना। क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा हुआ है? नॉट डिफेक्टिव। गुड बल्ब जो है, जो हम लोग निकाले थे, वो रिप्लेस नहीं किए। सो हाउ मेनी गुड बल्ब्स लेफ्ट?
15.
15 out of 19. So the probability is 15 by 19. Any doubt in this question?
No,
No.
sir.
Okay, now this is number based question. This is number based question. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a two-digit number, a perfect square number, a number divisible by 8. Last year we did lot of practice, lot of drilling based on number-based questions. Okay, so while we will do, while revision also will do the same. एक एक टॉपिक पे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे हम लोग रिवीजन करते समय. So we'll start with the first step. What is the total number of possible outcomes?
90.
90.
Okay, so there are 90 discs numbered from 1 to 90. So how many numbers are two-digit numbers?
81.
81. Very good. Two-digit numbers from 10 to 90 is 81. So what is the probability of getting two-digit number?
81.
81 by 90.
Right, 81 by 90. So simplify, what you will get?
9 by 10.
9 by 10. Very good. Now second, how many numbers are two-digit perfect square numbers from 1 to 90?
9.
9. Right. That is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. अब ये भी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is not mandatory. You can directly write that perfect square numbers are 9 from 1 to 90. Okay. So what is the probability of getting the perfect square number?
9 by 90.
9 by 90.
90.
That is 1 by
1 by
10.
10.
Last, a number divisible by 5.
18.
18.
18. Okay, that also you can write directly. But how many numbers are divisible by 5? Let us see. 5, 10, 15, 20, like that up to 90. So this is also not mandatory. ये केवल तुम लोग को समझ दिखलाने के लिए है. So total numbers which are divisible by 5 is 18. So what is the probability?
18 by 90.
18 by 90.
Right. So simplify करो उसको.
1 by 5.
1 by
1 by
5. Right. So we'll move towards next question. A child has a die whose 6 faces show the letters as given below. A, B, C, D, E, A. The die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A? So what is the, how many faces are there?
6.
Okay, number of faces of a die is equals to 6. Now how many A's are there?
2.
2. So what is the probability of getting A?
2 by
2
6.
by 6.
Right, 2 by 6. That is 1 by 3.
1 by
Now
3.
how many D's are there?
1.
1.
1. So probability of getting D?
1 by
1 by 6. 1 by
Right,
2.
1 by 6. Okay, now 20th question. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region shown in figure 15.6. This is figure 15.6. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle? Okay, of a diameter 1 meter. So यहाँ पे जो total area जो है वो rectangle है, उसमें circle में गिरना है, right? So we'll find the area of rectangle first. So length is 3 meter and breadth is 2 meter. So what is the area of this rectangle?
6
Six.
meters square.
Right,
6
length into
meter.
breadth, that is 3 into 2, 6 meter square. Now we'll find the area of circle. So diameter is given 1 meter. So what is the radius?
1 by 2.
1
1
by
by
2.
2.
1 by 2 meter. And what is the area of circle?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. So pi into 1 by 2 whole square. So we'll get pi by 4 meter square. So the probability of landing inside the circle is equals to area of circle divided by area of rectangle. So area of circle is pi by 4, area of rectangle is 6. So we'll get pi by 24. This is the final answer. And this answer is given in NCERT. Or else we can substitute 22 by 7 also, after or we can simplify further also. But this answer is given. So hence the probability, required probability is pi by 24. Any doubt in this question? Any doubt in this question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now 21. Again, this is a reasoning based question. A lot consists of 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective. So, how many good ones?
124.
One.
Very good. Nuri will buy a pen if it is a good, but will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. So, what is the probability that she will buy? That means you have to find the probability of good pens. What is the probability that she will not buy it? That means you have to find the probability of defective pens. So let us start with the first step. How many defectives are there?
20.
20.
Okay. How
20.
many good pens?
124.
124.
Right. And total number of pens is 144. First bit we have to find the number of good pens. Okay. So question में जो दिया हुआ है, total number of pens is 144, total number of defective pens is 20, so total number of good pens is equals to 124. So first bit, what is the probability that she buys a pen? 124 by 144. ठीक है, क्योंकि कंडीशन दिया हुआ है कि वो तभी खरीदेगी जब पेन अच्छा होगा, गुड होगा. So if you simplify, you will get 31 by 36. Right? Now what is the probability that she will not buy the pen?
20 by
20 by
144.
Right, 20 by 144. If you simplify, you will get 5 by 36. So this is the 21st question. Now we'll move towards 22nd question. Refer to example 13. Example 13 means वो 2 dice को throw करने वाला है. If 2 dice are thrown, then complete the following table. Event sum on 2 dice is 1. So I already explained the trick. 3 कितने बार आया था?
2.
3, 4, 5. This you know na how to fill?
Yes, sir.
Then decreasing 5, 4, 3, 2. अभी सबके डिनोमिनेटर में 36 लिख दो. So this is 4 by 36, and this is 5 by 36, and this is 6 by 36. Okay, and this is 4 by 36, and this is 3 by 36, and this is 2 by 36. So any doubt in this question? First
No,
bit.
sir.
Okay. Now a student argues that there are 11 possible outcomes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Therefore each of them has a probability 1 by 11. Do you agree with this argument or justify your answer? Do you agree with this argument? No, I'm not. Why? Because I'm not getting 1 by 11 in any of the case. Okay, because these are not equally likely outcomes. So here all 11 possible outcomes are not equally likely and all probabilities are different from 1 by 11. Any doubt in this second part? Second part में
No.
कोई doubt है? नहीं है?
No, sir.
Okay. So now this is the last question of today's session, because only 2 questions left, that is based on points that we will take up tomorrow. A die is thrown twice. ठीक है, अगर 2 डाइस को एक साथ फेंक रहे हैं या एक डाइस को 2 बार फेंक रहे हैं तो वो दोनों सेम एक्सपेरिमेंट कंसीडर करते हैं हम लोग. सो हाउ मेनी टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स?
36.
Right, 36. Now 5 will not come up either time. First of all, let us see how many times 5 is coming. पूरे 36 आउटकम्स में 5 कितने बार आ रहा है? देखो 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, 5-5, 5-6. फिर 1-5, 2-5, 3-5, 4-5 and 6-5. So 11 times आ रहा है. 1-5, 2-5, 3-5, 4-5, 5-5, 6-5, 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, 5-5 was already there, 5-6. So ये total 11 times 5 आ रहा है. Clear है? So how many times 5 is not coming up either time?
25.
Okay, so what is the probability of getting 5 will not come up either time?
25 by 36.
25 by 30.
Right, 36 minus 11 by 36, that is 25 by 36. Now, how many times 5 is come up at least once? Already we got. So what is the probability of second one?
11 by
11
30.
by
Yes, 11 by 36. Okay, any doubt here? This is
No,
very,
sir.
very important question. Okay, so this is the last question of today's session. Now let us move towards the next assignment question. So 2 questions are based on cards and 2 questions are based on dice. इसमें 3 क्वेश्चन जो है वो CBSE बोर्ड के क्वेश्चंस हैं. Okay, so you can take up the screenshot or let us wind up this session. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.